Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. So today let's check how to make Malabar Parota. Our ingredients are: I'm taking half kg maida, 1 egg, salt to taste and some oil. So now let's see how to make a dough. For that I'm taking half kg maida. In this maida I'm adding some salt to taste. After adding salt, we have to mix the ingredients well. Now let's add 1 egg. After adding egg, now let's mix all the ingredients. And we have to make a dough using some water. Now let's add some water and make a dough out of it. So you can see my dough is already ready. So after that we have to pour some oil and mix it. We have to punch the dough and make it very soft. You have to keep on punching. So you can see the dough is so soft. After that, pour some oil and we have to rest this for at least 1 hour. We can close this with using a nice cotton cloth. So after 1 hour you can see the dough is double in size. Now let's make small ball of this dough. We can make balls of any size. So now let's make small ball and keep this ball aside. Now roll this one by one. We have to gently roll it the same way how we roll our chapati. Shape and size of this chapati is not at all important. So you keep this on a plate and pour some oil. I'm using my hand. We have to pour some oil. And we have to gently spread some maida on it so that it won't get stuck. I will show you one more how to make this. So now let's make one more parota. Roll the parota. After rolling, we have to keep this rolled parota on top of the parota which I already made. So in this way we have to make all other. So here you can see I'm applying the oil, the same procedure which I done before, and we have to pour some maida on top of it. Make sure that oil is getting everywhere. So let me spread some maida on top of it. So you see I already made it. I separated on 2 plates. We have to keep this for some time. After around 1 hour, we have to gently pull each and every rolled parota. So you can see. So it's very nice and thin and we have to roll it. In the same way, we have to make all our parota. So you can see nice thin layer. We don't need to apply extra oil in this. So you can see I already rolled it. Now it's time to make our parota. So again we have to roll it. Now it's time to cook. So here I'm taking a tawa and I'm cooking it. We have to cook this exactly the same way as we are cooking our chapati. So tilt it both the way and we have to apply some oil. And we have to cook till it turns light brown. So you can see nice brown texture on our parota. In this way we have to cook all other parota. Now it's time for crushing our parota. This is very important part of parota because crushing the parota makes our parota very soft. So you can see the layer are coming out. So you can see my crushed parota. It's nice and fluffy. You can see the layers. So it's done. Enjoy your dish. Now let's check how to make ghee parota. For that we have to take a banana leaf. On banana leaf we have to put our parota and on top of it we can add any curry. Here I am using my chicken chukka, which the recipe is given in description box. So here I am adding chicken chukka and tie our banana leaf tightly. And after that, on the same pan, we have to pour some oil. And we have to cook our parota on this pan. This is known as ghee parota. We can close the lid and cook it for some time. So it's almost done. The smell is so good. So please try this at home. It's very yummy dish. Here it is. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.